Alright, this time there is two imposters among us. Two imposters? This is so weird. How am I going to handle some two imposters? Two imposters are weird. Man, two imposters are so weird. I need to do my tasks. See you later. I'm going to do my task. Alright, this time I'm going to do my task. What task am I going to do? Oh man, this task is so chill. Oh man, this game is so hard. Oh no, Tiki Wiki, yeah! Tiki Wiki, boop! So what is the case? Guys, Tiki Wiki's body is there. Tiki Wiki, no! And I think that I should vote out for... I think we should skip. I think we should do the task instead, rather. Yeah, I think I should do my task. Alright, what task I'm going to do? I love to do my task. Hopefully, man, I cannot do this task. It's too much. Pretty sure what task I'm going to do. Cheeky! Boop. Is it again? Guys, Chicky is dead. First, Tinky Winky, now Chicky. I think you look suspicious on yourself, Martian. No, it's not me, I swear to God. Well, I think we should vote you out, Martian man. Goodbye. No, I swear, it wasn't me. Ah! Marvin the Martian was not an imposter. Okay, so he's not an imposter. Now what's next? I think I should do my task on. Oh, I think we should have my task. Okay, what task is it? T-Rex, no! Toot 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 toot. Oh, what is it? Yeah, what is it? Guys, T-Rex is dead. T-Rex is dead? Where? In the performer tasks. Task performance? No! There's a high chance we can win. A 5% to me, 20%. We think we should skip. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I think I should skip. Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's go. Wait. Oh man, this task is very hard. Okay, steady, closer, harder. No. What the? No. Boop. No, this is a hard chance. I'm going to get like a 1% chance of winning. What is it this time, Bowser? Guys, Paul was holding a knife, trying to kill me. Wait, no, he was not going to kill Bowser, okay? No, but you tried. I think we should vote Paul out. No, I swear. Well, Paul, better luck next time. No, I swear, it wasn't me. Oh! Ow. Paul was an imposter. One imposter remaining. Oh no, Paul is dead. I think we should do our tasks. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, Bowser. Oh, hey there. Who are you? I'm the helicopter. I was in the first game. The first game. You weren't the crewmate in the first game? Yeah, of course. And Bowser, how about we be pals? Sure, why not? We're going to vote the last imposter. Yeah, let's go. Oh man, what task am I going to do? No! Dude. So what is it this time, mister? Guys, I found Chicky's body. Of course, in the hallway. The hallway, okay? I think we should skip. Skip, okay? Let's skip. Yeah. Okay. Last task. And I'm going to win this game. Win this game. I swear, I'm going to win this game. Chill. Oh, I do swear it's too comfortable. Oh, no, dude. So what is it this time? What? Guys, I found Ferdinand's body. I guess. I think we should vote out. I know over there, since he was sus. I'm not sus, okay? No, just because I found the body doesn't mean I'm sus. Bowser, fix your grammar or something. Kinda looks sus to me. Goodbye. No. Well, okay. I'll prove to you I'm right. Bye-bye. Ah. Dino is not an imposter. So Dino wasn't not an imposter. I think we should do a task. Man, I do swear, yeah. A dead body of dolphin! No, dolphin! Bowser, wait! Look up there! Huh? You have go to the imposters task. So, Waluigi, I knew it was you all along. Yeah, you even killed my friend Dolphin. How dare you, Waluigi? Well, I was the one who killed a lot of the people. Now, next is you, Bowser. Helicopter, go. Press the emergency meeting. Okay. I'll fight this baddie. Baddie? Who are you calling baddie? Let's see. Yeah! Here. I gotta press the emergency button. Huh? Bowser! Well, you're dead, friend. Well, finally, after those years, I am going to win. I gotta press. Boop. Wait, no! I'm still awake. But yeah, good game, Waluigi. Yeah, give it up, Waluigi. It's over. Where? This game stinks, where? Waluigi was an imposter. Oh, glad to hear that. But, well, we won! Yes, we won! Dun, dun.